Hello, welcome to a quick video update. If you are wondering why is this Airfix Dalek Sec doing up here, because I'm just going to give you a quick update on how I'm getting on with it. I've ordered this about a week ago. As you can tell, I have already built Dalek Sec, and he's built and complete. He's complete and built. Yeah, he's built and complete. But I might just paint over some of the bits before I go into the figure. I should do a little quick review of him, because there's a screwdriver here. There's a screwdriver. I'm gonna take that out. You really want to know how Dalek Sec sounds like. And just before I do the upcoming review of one of these, I'm gonna take the batteries back out afterwards. Okay, you just push on the head. Just push on its head. Yes, the mutant was the hardest part to put in the Dalek. So he was the first Dalek to build. Not much paint.
The final experiment will begin.
That's what he says. You push his eye stalk, and that's what you'll say.
The final experiment will begin. The final experiment will begin.
Unfortunately, the other one says the same thing. The other one should have said the children of Skaro should walk again. So yes, these were meant to move, but I glued them in. So anyway, if you want an up-to-date video of one of these, this kind of video, just let me know.